Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I am a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you are absolutely in love with. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. I have a really important announcement for all future and existing members of my exclusive podcast coaching program, the Elevate Insider. Not only will you get full access to all of my episodes and exclusive supporting content that correlates with each episode, but for a limited time, I'm offering a special bonus, my top client retention strategies. This is the same exact retention strategies I've tried and tested in my commission salon and with my team. It's the reason why I've built such a loyal client base over the last 13 years. To get this exclusive bonus material, all you have to do is subscribe by either clicking the link in the show notes or visiting www.opulentbeautypro.com/insider. If you currently subscribe through Apple Podcasts, I highly recommend canceling your subscription and resubscribing to get this special offer and easier access to this program. Hello and welcome to this week's episode of the Elevate podcast, where we put the power of success into your hands. I'm Patricia Nowakowski, and today I want to have real talk about something I see far too often: salon owners scrambling to make money because they did not plan ahead. It looks like this. Business slows down and suddenly panic sets in. You start throwing out discounts, running last-minute promotions, or posting desperately on social media just hoping someone gets some bookings. Does this sound familiar? Well, if this is you, you're definitely not alone. But here's the thing. If your marketing is reactive, you're always going to feel like you're playing catch up. The secret to consistent revenue is proactive marketing. Creating a plan so that you never have to scramble again. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. By the end of today's episode, you're going to know how to identify your slowest months and turn them into profit centers, use strategic marketing instead of last-minute panic promotions, create a marketing calendar that eliminates uncertainty and builds predictable income. Shortcut your way to success with the Salon Owner Blueprint so you don't have to figure it all out alone. If that sounds like exactly what you need, let's dive in. So here's the problem with reactive marketing. I see this cycle happen all the time. You have a busy season, maybe the holidays, back to school, wedding season, everything's great, you're making money. But then all of a sudden January hits or summer slows down or whatever your off season is, suddenly your books are empty and you're scrambling to fill them. So you throw out a quick promo, last minute openings today, 20% off, book now. Maybe you get a few bites, but now you've trained your clients to wait for discounts instead of booking at full price. And worse, you feel stressed every single time business slows down. If you're in this cycle, I want you to hear me loud and clear. You have the power to change this, but only if you start thinking ahead. You need to consider your slowest month and flip the script. I want you to think about your slowest month, and for most salons, it's January, and that was including us. And this makes sense, right? Because the holidays just ended. Clients have spent a ton of money in November and December. They really don't have anything going on. There's no more parties. It's, for us anyway, in Chicago, the dead of winter, super cold. No one really wants to go out. Many are stretching their budgets and putting off salon visits. But instead of accepting January as a loss, we have flipped it in our salon. Let's talk about what happens when you plan ahead instead of react. Instead of scrambling for last-minute sales, you have a structured offer that makes sense for both you and the clients in your business. Instead of throwing out random discounts, you can create value that clients actually want. Instead of feeling desperate, you feel in control because you already mapped out what's coming. So I know you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually make it happen? You have to make a marketing calendar. A marketing calendar is your year-long game plan for when and how you're going to promote. It tells you exactly when to run your campaigns, what to promote, so that you're never guessing and clients are excited and feel taken care of all year long. It also allows you to pre-plan for your social media. This allows you to pre-plan for your social media, pre-make your templates. It allows you to keep clients informed. Clients can rebook when they want to take advantage of certain promotions. We run the same exact marketing calendar every single year. We will refine it here and there, but we do run the same thing so clients know exactly what's happening in our business. I understand. As a salon owner, it is very hard to take time out of your busy schedule to make these things. This is why I have all of these things in the Salon Owner's Blueprint. I have the exact calendar that I use for my salon. I have a whole section on promotion ideas, and I have everything, including emails, written out for you so that it is done for you. So you literally, all you have to do is plug and play, pick the promotions that work well for you, that align with your salon, and you're good to go. I literally have created the blueprint to give salon owners freedom so that they don't have to take the time away from their team, from generating revenue, to work on these very tedious tasks and these things that really do make a huge impact in your business. My marketing calendar is a game changer. It really does help you stay on track to produce revenue, and it also helps you give back to your clients. Clients like to feel valued. They like to be given back to. How can you offer them promotions that truly do make an impact and that drive business to your salon? Having a plan eliminates stress, and it does drive revenue, which gets rid of that panic, and it will take away those panic discounts, and it will get your clients out of the habit of booking when you're only offering a discount. It is a strategic way to generate income. So if you're tired of reacting to slow seasons and want a proven plan for consistent income, then this is your sign to check out the Salon Owner Blueprint today. You can get the Salon Owner Blueprint by visiting www.opulentbeautypro.com/blueprints. And also, if you are not subscribed to the Elevate Insider, you will get the full episodes and exclusive content to help your business grow as a salon owner. So here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to identify your slowest month and decide how you're going to make it profitable. Start mapping out your marketing calendar so you never have to scramble again. If you want an exact plug and play system, grab the Salon Owner Blueprint. That will be your shortcut to success. If this episode helped you, share it with a fellow salon owner who needs to hear this. Thanks for listening to the Elevate podcast. Let's keep growing together.